How to turn ideas into a presentation using Gamma. Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to turn any idea into a professional presentation using the Gamma app, step by step. If you have ideas in your head but don't know how to structure them into slides, Gamma makes the process simple by using AI to organize. By the end of this video, you will know how to go from a simple idea to a complete presentation that's ready to present. Gamma app is an AI-powered tool that makes presentations easier and converts ideas, prompts, or rough notes into a clean professional slide. So let's get started and let's start from the beginning. Once you have logged into your Gamma account, on the main dashboard, you are going to see a folder named as Gammas. You're going to click on it and then you are going to meet with this page. You're going to click on Create New AI, click on Generate, and this is going to take you to a page and you can see your available options on the page right here. There is going to be presentations, web pages, documents, and social media posts. We are going to work with presentations. We are going to click on it, and right here you can see some example prompts and suggestions below there. You can go ahead and mess with the settings, how you want your presentation to be, how many cards, what kind of layout, your language, and your design mode. This is a text box where you are going to write your main prompt. I'm going to type in a prompt that is going to be a presentation about time management for freelancers. When you are writing a prompt, you don't have to be too complex about it. You can simply just write in a prompt that is best for you. If you have any idea relating your business proposals, or to create a presentation for your team, even for your schoolwork, you can simply just type in a basic prompt and click on Generate Outline. You don't want to use many fancy words and confuse the AI. If you want best results, keep your prompt simple and clean. Now on the screen, you can see that Gamma is creating an outline for our presentation with the cards and the design that we selected. You can always go back and change the prompt if you don't like what's in the outline, if you don't like the context, the bullet points, or the paragraph, or the main headings. You can also just simply go ahead and delete these. Like right here, this created a perfect outline for us. You can click on this and you can also delete it, or you can select and drag it up and down to change the order. This ensures that you have a perfect flow according to your preference and style. Once everything is ready to go, click on Generate. Now Gamma is going to generate a presentation for us just in a few seconds. As you can see on the screen, Gamma is creating a presentation for us. Now this includes headings, bullet points, a whole layout. There is going to be designs and visuals. You can always go ahead and refine the visuals and the context in these slide cards accordingly and manually. This saves us a lot of time because you don't have to manually start everything from scratch. You don't have to go ahead and worry about the design and the layouts. You can just focus on the main message and the main context of your presentation. Each slide is going to be based on your idea and you can organize it into sections. It is already organized by the AI, but you can go ahead and add final and personalized details. This is perfect if you struggle with where to start and if you want to save up more time, or if you're meeting a deadline and you need to work faster without worrying about the design. This can also work for people who don't have much of a design experience. And here the AI generated a presentation for us with visuals, with headings. There are also list of context that is very useful in our presentation. You can go ahead and start refining this presentation. On the left, you see all the slides we have in this presentation. You can go ahead and click on them and start editing and refining. You can take out the text that you don't like. You can take out list of things that you don't want, like this. I don't want this one specifically. I'm going to click on it and simply delete it, and it's just going to adjust the layout. You can see the AI has also provided us with different kind of layouts and charts. If you want to keep adding the charts and more layouts or even more block tools, you can simply click on the search. You can just search according to what you want to add, or you can also go through and explore the layouts. There are smart layouts, and this offers a bunch of different tools that you can add. There are also flowcharts, there are different shapes and diagrams that can be useful for you. Right here I'm going to type in smart diagrams, and this is going to provide you with multiple diagrams that you can just simply click on and drag and drop them. Now you can also move these slides up and down. You can simply go on to your left, you can drag them up and down and drop them. You can rename these title slides by simply clicking on them. Clicking on any text can be editable, and you can also remove the slides that you don't want. A good presentation usually follows an introduction, like we go way up, and right here is the introduction and a little overview of the freelancers time challenge and what challenges that we are facing. Now this provides us a solution along with it. You can also have your main idea or your problem right here. You can see it, and then there's going to be an explanation or solution for your presentation right here. There are going to be key points that are mentioned here. This is another solution to our problem, and there's also going to be a summary and conclusion at the very end to make the presentation make sense to the audience. Now you can go ahead and improve how your slide looks. You can take out things, you can delete or add things and context that you don't like. You can also add your own visuals if you don't like the ones that were generated by the AI. Simply go onto any slide that you want to add your visual, or even if you're working with a client, you can add your brand logo. You're simply going to click on images. Now here you can either generate an image using AI. You can also search the web for the image, but this is very time consuming, and if you are already meeting up with a deadline, it's best you just ask AI to generate it for you. You can add a QR code, and there are a list of tools already available below, or you can add your own logo. We are going to be adding our own logo, which is very simple. You click on add your own logo or URL link, and I'm going to add this right here. You can see how the logo was inserted directly, but it looks too choppy and I don't like how the white background is added in it. I'm going to simply click on it. Right here we can see edit with agent, and I am going to remove background. You can also prompt or give the AI a better prompt to be more precise about the logo or the visual that you are working with. You can change the text style and layout and also different themes from here. But first let's work up with the visual. Once the background is removed like this, I'm going to cross this. And you can see that it is right here. You can click on it to customize it according to your style and how you want it to look. It is small and available on here. I'm going to click on it and okay, perfect. Now for the themes we can start working on. Right here is the edit theme option. You are going to click on this, and this is going to provide you with multiple themes and ideas with different fonts and layouts. You can go ahead and select any of these. I think my theme looks perfect on already best that was already worked on by the AI. You can start refining your presentation. You can take out anything, add anything, and once you think that everything is done and you think that everything is ready to go, you can go with your revisions. You can simply click on present, and this is going to give you a preview of your presentation. You can see it on the screen that this is how the presentation is looking. It looks good, it flows smoothly, and you can review each and every slide. We're going to exit this. While creating a presentation, you should ask yourself that is this presentation easy to understand? Is there too much text? You don't want to overcrowd your slides with too much text and context, because you want to stick to one message at one slide. You don't want to grab or take one slide to different directions. Just keep one main idea per slide, and simple slides make strong presentations. Now once everything looks good and you are satisfied with your presentation, you can export it. You are going to click on share. There is an export option. You can just download it or export it in different formats. PowerPoint is the best format to export your presentation. You can also go ahead and export it to PDF, your Google Slides, or as PNGs. Another feature that Gamma provides is the collaborator. You can invite your collaborator by email, and you can simply just add additions. You can invite your colleagues and team members, which makes it very easy to run with revisions. And you don't have to wait for your client approval every single time that you export it and then send it to them. You can just directly give them the access to your presentation. And that's how you turn ideas into a presentation presentations using Canva app. If this has helped you, like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and comment if you have any questions. You can also share this with your team members and colleagues so they can also get a better view of this app and you can all start working with this app. Thank you for watching.